basically what this whole thing's about is actually bringing all the homeless in, homeless people in shelters, bring them in, getting them to be able to talk to all the different organizations that are out there that can support them, whether it be home organizations that can help them get them in a halfway house, doctors, we've got free medical going on, and actually be able to bring them in and get them help if we can possibly get them help. As far as I'm concerned, the way I look at it, if we can help one person that's homeless to get him back on his feet, we did our job.
I'm on the Stand Down committee, so we've been meeting regularly over the since probably early in the year. And so I help coordinate all the different functions, and what we've done, we started off with our vendors, getting people registered, doing surveys. Then we've moved into our program where we did a salute for 911. We had the bell, and then we had our keynote speaker, Ron Christopher, who is a VA member of our homeless team, a homeless peer support specialist. And now we're wrapping up where we're handing out the donated items. So I've kind of been just a little bit of everywhere. And we serve lunch. The Ladies Auxiliary is prepared and serve lunch to our participants and volunteers.
Oh, while we're involved, that's all we do. The Legion Riders, everything, it's a subgroup of the American Legion itself. And we're here to support any veterans. You know, we have a escort service for ones that deceased, and anything that has to do with the homeless or any veterans, we're there to help. And this is just a small part of that.
For all the veterans, what we're doing is we have two different lines. For the line for the veterans, what we can do is we can hand out military surplus, which is sleeping bags, duffel bags to be able to carry their stuff in. Cold weather gear to get them through the winter, especially if they're homeless. We want to make sure that they're warm. Gloves. We also hand out personal care items. In our other line that we have, we actually hand out clothing to everybody that's not homeless. We have clothing. We also have some civilian sleeping bags that we're handing them. A whole bunch of blankets. We're just trying to make sure everybody has what they need for the winter to be able to get through it.
This event, this is our third year here in Lawrence County, and we really believe it's a great partnership with our community partners, and to outreach to the veterans, bring them in, give them services, clothes, food, and try to get them connected to the VA services if they choose to be connected. So we have VA staff here along with community partners to outreach to both the veteran and the non-veteran.
Basically, this covers all of Lawrence County, not just Newcastle. It covers Elwood City, the different communities within Lawrence. The other piece that we have is we have all the veterans organizations. We have motorcycle organizations of the Legion Riders here. Lawrence County VA's office itself, Butler VA office, the ambulance service. We have a majority of folks just coming together, all of our health networks coming together, and everybody here is here on volunteer hours. Nobody's being paid. They all volunteer to be here. They're all working as one to try to help all these people out and also make awareness within the community.
I'm hoping it makes them feel good. I feel good, being able to hand it out and stuff to the veterans, and I'm hoping they use it to their full advantage and, its purpose.